back to BPO interview tutorials. And today we came up with another interesting concept in KPIs for the operations. Before moving to the video, I would like everyone please share, subscribe the channel, click on subscribe and bell icon so that you will get all the notification about my upcoming videos. Also, if I really help you in your interviews and you have cracked your interviews because of me, please help me with the thanks option. It will be really grateful towards me. Also check out the playlist. You will find videos related to Six Sigma certification, trainers, operation team lead, quality, MS Excel dashboards, Excel breaks, Google Data Studio, preparing dashboard using Google Sheet, many more. 107 plus videos are there. Do watch and don't miss to share and subscribe the channel. Welcome guys. Today we came up with an amazing concept, that is what is abandonment rate or release rate. Guys, this is the important concept that to be noted, and we need to aware of it if we are working with the operation team, if you are working as an operation manager, operation team lead, or else you're working as an employee wherein you are working on the production. So it's a very important concept. What is abandonment rate or release rate? First we will see what this actually specifies. This is also known as release rate. By the name itself, we can understand the things. If you're working with calling, chat, email, or any of the process, guys, wherein you got one particular ticket, concern, call, email, chat, whatever it is to solve, and before giving the solution, you just released it. Release in the sense you just disconnect the internet, or maybe due to some technical issue it got removed and you got the another concern, call, or volume to be solved. Anything which happened wherein the ongoing concern did not got solved and it got released, that is known as abandonment. Now this may happens with many reasons. Wantedly employees used to do at some place, wherein if they get a customer who is very much irritated because the issue was not solved, we may get some kind of things wherein we get long email thread to be read, and employees not able or not want to work, he will just release it. This is again a non-compliance activity which needs to be avoided. If it is a technical issue, yes, completely it is understandable. This is known as abandonment or release rate. Now, how to calculate this? So basically, let's consider an calling process example. I am taking 40 calls per day and I released 4 calls today. That may be technical issue or maybe any of the reason. Maybe the avaya was not working, there was a noise issue, due to that you were forced to disconnect the call. There will be many reasons are there. Now total number of abandonment call, which means you have done 4, divided by total number of inbound call released by the received to that particular employee, divided with divide this both and into 100, you will get the average abandonment rate per day for the employee. The same you can calculate on the basis of team wise, total call released by a team divided by total call attended by the team. You can also go with the workflow wise, how many abandonment call happened and how much volume we have received. This can be calculated day wise, week wise, month wise, yearly, workflow wise, anything. The main thing you need to understand here is this should be under some set of percentage set by the process owner. Few companies set their release percentage nearest to the 10 to 7%. Above to that, it will be considered as an escalation, and the process, which means we are not providing the solution to the customer, and it will lose the trust for the brand, or maybe we are just releasing it because we do not want to work there, or we do not want to work on that particular call. This is like avoidance of the work. This should not be there. So the 10% and 7%, why this was set? Because of the technical issue, or maybe some any of the genuine reason, because of that you released it. So this is an acceptable release, but yes, this need to be avoided because it's a very critical towards the work. Let's go with an example here. Total call I receive per day, those are 100, and total abandonment call done by my team is 35. We are going with the team wise abandonment. So total call attended by my team is today 100 and 35 call got abandoned, which means I 35% will be my average abandonment rate. Guys, you need to be very much assured. Suppose there is a technical issue going on. Due to that, automatically the calls, emails or chat, whatever it is, wherever you are working, either it may be a data entry or content moderation process, anything, and it is getting released because of tool issue, the tool is not working properly. You need to capture all the IDs, guys, how much it was released, along with that unique ID. Either it is a caller ID, email, there will be a specific ID to it. You need to capture it. At the end of the day, you need to keep your manager informed that this many released happened because of this and this reason. It is technically, then yes, you need to highlight it prior, you need to flag it prior. This is a very much critical towards the work. I believe, guys, you got the complete understanding. Now let's go with one scenario. Employee hanged up without giving the solution. Now this is willingly employee did this. Now this is a incorrect release done by the employee, correct, and this need to be avoided. So my humble request, if you're working as an operation team lead or SME, subject matter expert, every day you need to show the data to your team so that they will be aware on the release count. I have also observed a few process. Suppose it's a data entry process wherein what is happening, back to back they will get the data entry forms to be submitted. In that scenario, suppose the employee want to leave for the break. Now what he will do if he get that particular case or call? So I have seen people are creating different release form. It can be created in a Google form. They are just capturing few things like the unique ID of that data entry form, the screenshot of that particular timings when they are releasing it. There will be a reason like employees moving to break or lunch or maybe any of the reason he want to release it. So it's a genuine release that the person is doing and he is also filling out the form. Now in this way also you can track your things because it is much needed to be tracked. This is also a possible way to do. We have also observed one thing, when our customer support agent is on long hold and customer got irritated, he disconnected the call. Now this is just avoidance of the work. Now there may be a multiple scenarios. Either the concern is really tough to check, that is the reason the person is keeping call on hold, and another reason maybe he voluntarily did that. Now there will be a process. We cannot keep call on hold more than 2 minutes. If we are keeping that, we need to refresh the call. If that person is not doing so, yes, then there is an issue. Due to technical issue, call got disconnected is a different scenario. IVR issue, which means the landline is not working. Maybe there is an issue towards it. Now what can be a solution if we are working with the calling process? We can do the outbound call to the customer so that we can provide the solution. This is the best solution we can go with. We can avoid the release count or abandonment data here. This is the best thing that can be done. Now I would suggest all the people who are working as a team lead in the operation side, please fill out the release form. Please create a release form for your team and capture the things very accurately. This will surely help out, guys. This is all about abandonment rate or release rate, guys. Please read out, look out the video again. Do you have any questions? Please let me know in a comment or feedback session. I will surely help you out. Please share it with your friends, colleagues who are preparing for the interview, and also check out our Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn page. You will get all the information about upcoming videos, job vacancies and many more informations are there. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.